In the previous videos, we learned how to build Agentic AI workflows right inside the terminal using CrewAI. Terminal scripts are great for developers, but your clients want a web app. Today, we are taking our CrewAI agents and giving them a beautiful UI using Streamlit. Welcome to Naga Automates. If you want to build your own SaaS products or an internal tool for your company, you need a user interface. I am going to show you how to do it in pure Python. No HTML, no CSS required. Let's start. First, we import the libraries we need. Import Streamlit. It helps us build web apps quickly. Import OS. It lets us work with environment variables like API keys. It gives us agent, task and crew classes to build AI workflows. Import Google Generative AI to connect to Gemini models. First, we configure Streamlit page. This sets up the page title, icon and layout for our app. This title shows at the top of the app. It shows a short description for the user. Now we are going to create sidebar for API key. We use this sidebar to ask the user for their Gemini API key. We give input field for API key type equal to password for hidden the text. Give a reminder that the key is not stored permanently. Now let's create main UI inputs. Text box where the user enters the topic for the blog post. Next, the action buttons. When the user clicks this button, the AI workflow starts. First, we check if the API key is entered. Next, we check if the topic is entered. If both are provided, set the API key as an environment variable. Initialize the Gemini model. Show a spinner while the AI is working. Now we are going to create agents. Define the researcher agent. This agent finds 3 critical facts about the topic. Next, define the writer agent. This agent takes those facts and writes a viral blog post. We assign each agent a clear task. Define the research task for researcher agent. and define the writing task for writer agent. Here we create the crew with both agents and tasks. Run the crew workflow. Here we show a success message when it done. Display the final blog post in markdown format. Save the file. Let's run it. Instead of Python AI web app.py, we type Streamlit run AI web app.py. Boom! Our web app is running. Copy this URL and paste in your browser. It's opening. A web page opens. I enter my key. And type difference between AI and Agentic AI and hit run. The agents work, and look at that. A beautifully formatted markdown article right on our website. Now you just built a SaaS MVP. Subscribe to Naga Automates.